Our experience started about 10 years ago, and we are improving daily, so professionals like you could have the best possible steam cleaners in the market.
Thanks to our experience and cooperation with Lamborghini Calore Klima, we have created a unique combination of most advanced technology, best-in-class fuel consumption, and modern design. The highest quality of the combustion system and low diesel consumption enable even faster return on investment.
Our main sales offices with technical support facilities are located in Miami, Hong Kong, Montreal, Dubai, Bangkok, Warsaw, and most of European Union, and we are still expanding.
Using our machines, we will provide best possible service quality without any shortcuts. Fortador is setting world-class high standards.
We look forward to welcome your business as a private user or future dealer. Become to be a part of Fortador family.